It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
We're in Velho Courtyard, and there's actually a beer festival going on right here, so there's a ton of people. This is going to be our target space right here, but I think what we're going to actually do is just walk around a little bit and show you some of the highlights around here, including parts of the beer festival. So stay tuned for that. Okay, Velho Courtyard in Macau. It's in the southern part of Macau, Coloane. You can see it up on the map right there. And we're going to get right into the walk and talk so you can see as if you were there yourself. And there's also a beers festival going on, so we have some stuff that's kind of around this little square. Got some oceanside as well. And we got some lyrics, so put the lyrics, and that's going to be on the screen as well. That's some music that I wrote and put it into AI and created a music out of that. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it and show you a slice of Coloane village in the southern part of Macau. This is a little travessa called Beautiful Lane Linda's. This is going to be our targets. Usually I target everything around a patio or a street, so this one's going to be actually Velho. You see the nice beautiful black and white tiles, and then right over here is this biblioteca, so we're going to walk around to the biblioteca as well, and then we'll kind of highlight. This was very well photographed, very photogenic right there. Looks like it's closed today, but a lot of times they'll have these green things that'll be open. Then of course you can sit outside as well. Or black and white tiles. So we are gonna go back there in a second. But I'm just gonna show you. Everybody's walking around with bottles of beer because there's free bottles of beer today. That's the ocean right there. That's our target right there. Just wanted to show you the water. Yeah, today is kind of a special day. It's actually Buddha's birthday, but they also have all of these beer tents. They're giving out free beer right next to our target street at Velho. So I think we're gonna just walk. So they're giving out the free beer right there too. parallel to the ocean. Now we're back on Travessas das Lindas, beautiful lane. Lindas is beautiful, Travessas lane, or alley. Now we're back on Pátio de Velho. Kind of fun. We're back at our biblioteca again. Okay. So that's Pátio de Velho is right there, and then the beer festival is right down that way. So we're going to end this one for Coloane.